everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am pre-recording this. I probably won't put it up till, I don't know, Saturday maybe, or yeah, today's Friday. So I got this box yesterday. It was expected to be delivered today. So excited. I was not gonna open this box until I knew that my partner received hers, so I know hers is out in the mail and it's actually en route to being delivered. So anyways, what is this? So I am in a Facebook group, and that Facebook group is called Crafty Crafts by Deanna Swaps and Stuff, and she usually has a monthly swap between whoever is in that group. Basically, whoever wants to sign up signs up, and whatever theme it is, that's what they work with. So I'm always a little late for her swaps, and I got oh my gosh, like I got there late like I always do, but to my luck, Miss Callie Stone also got there a little late. Not too late, I think we were just like a few hours or a day late. Anyways, so Miss Callie Stone is actually here on Facebook, and her her YouTube channel name is Southern Scrapbooking and Crafts, and she is such a sweet lady. I remember I did a VR for her. She was at, oh my gosh, at very little numbers. She had just started her channel. She's still growing her channel, and she was so excited because I did a VR and her channel grew a little bit more. It was almost close to 100 that she got to, so she was so appreciative, and she's like, what can I do for you? And I'm like, nothing. That's what we do here at YouTube. Like, basically we help each other as much as we can, and there you go. So she's almost at 200, you guys. So if you guys do not know her, I will link her down in the description below. She is really sweet. So go over and check her out. So this month's swap, sorry, I'm rambling on, and it's probably gonna be a long video because it is a big box. Anyway, so this month's theme was unbirth swap. So basically it's Deanna's birthday, and instead of her having people send her stuff for the month of, was it June, basically she wanted people to swap between them and basically send an unbirth, basically to celebrate your birthday. Maybe it was in that month, but you know, for everybody that has a birthday. Anyways, so Ms. Callie's birthday is actually July the 28th, and mine's August the 4th, so it's kind of like an early birthday present for each of us. So there you go, even though it's an unbirth. So I taped this because she had a lot of tape here, you guys. So let me go ahead and finally finish this off. So I had not opened it, as you guys can see, and I'm really excited. I see feathers. And oh my goodness, OMG, oh my goodness. So she says she's been working really hard on it, and oh my goodness, OMG. So I see feathers, and I hear shaker, so I'm thinking it's a shaker card, and it is a shaker card. Oh, look at how pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. So let me see the inside. Oh, look at you guys. Oh, that is so cute. She has a note in here. Oh, she says she had so much fun putting this together. And you know what? I had so much fun putting your stuff together. Oh. Yes, we have to continue. Oh my gosh, she did the same thing. I did something similar to that. Ah! Oh my gosh, but hers is better because she actually has that, I don't have that, thing that you make it. So she has the, actually the little, oh, cute. Anyways, I go ahead and put it. And she feathered me away. Oh my goodness. My granddaughter will have fun with this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I didn't do that this. Oh. Happy birthday. Oh my gosh. Oh, happy birthday. And I am going to be hanging this because it's my birthday coming up anyways. Yay! How cute. Thank you. So I'll put this on the side. Sorry, you guys. I hope you guys could see this. And she put a lot of this little cute sequins up here. And hopefully I'll probably have it on the floor. OMG. And she gave me a little tote bag. Oh my goodness. And my favorite color. I love it. Thank you. Look at you guys. And the inside, she made this. OMG. Oh my goodness. I am not going to let my granddaughter see this. Oh, I love it. How cute. And then she gifted me this tissue holder. I know she had, oh my gosh, there's a lot of goodies in here, you guys. OMG. Oh my gosh, it's a tissue holder. Love it. So I can put that in here. I'll put that in there right now. OMG. So where do I start off with? The wand. And look at you guys. And it's hooked on a pencil. And wow, she even has, did you make this holder? Looks like a straw that she made. Very creative. Oh my goodness. Should I, like, can you guys see? OMG. So, and then she gifted me this. It kind of, like, in the box, kind of a little damaged, but it's okay. And OMG, she made these. I was actually just talking to Tree about this, and I was like, yeah, the little foamy thing, or that, whatever it's called, it's looking at me. And wow, look at you guys. It is fluffy. And she put some sequins on it, you guys. I don't know if you guys could see that. Can you guys see that? She put like a glittery sequins on top. Oh my goodness, I don't know what she used, but these are so cute. Oh my gosh, you saved me some time, because now I'm gonna procrastinate on doing these now. Oh, so cute. Let me see. And oh my goodness, OMG, like, let's do this one. So this, I know, you know what, and I know she makes her boxes, you guys. She made this. I don't think she covered it up. I do know because she makes a lot of her boxes and her books and everything. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it's just a notepad holder. Oh, and it says happy birthday. How cute. I like this. Thank you. I needed something to put on my desk that holds all my paper pads and everything. Let me see. And then, oh, I just saw her do a tutorial on this not too long ago, and oh my goodness, look at you guys. She did this from scratch, and she has a tutorial. I know I saw a tutorial on it. How cute. And then she put the lace right here. You guys have to go check her channel out. Oh my gosh. OMG. And then you put the paper here, and look at OMG. OMG. And let me see. And then, oh, this is heavy. What is this? Oh, some body cream. Is it shimmery? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Let me smell it. I gotta smell it. It smells nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hide this from somebody. And wow, did you do this from scratch? I don't know if you have a tutorial on this yet. I haven't seen it. And if you don't, if you gotta make one, this is so cute. I wonder if you did this from scratch or you used a tutorial. Wow. Oh, and she gifted me some of these beads, the flat pearl beads. Oh, thank you. This right here, and these cute little gems. These are from Walmart because I've seen them there, I think. And then she gifted me some of these. Let me see. And then let's go with this one. You guys, did she create these? Not edible, do not eat. That's cute. Not edible, do not eat. And oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, put sweets. And I love how she did this little banner and just another little banner on the top, like a flag top. And I like how she did that. You guys look. Oh my gosh, I gotta try this on. And flat pearl beads with some pom-pom and a washi tape on the bottom, and just sweets on the top with them. Oh my goodness. So I might have to break this into videos. Don't know yet. Oh my gosh, how do I open these? Oh, I want to open these. Let me see. Let me see. I don't want to like tear it. Sorry, you guys. These are so cute. Look at you guys. So I don't know who started making these. Was it Wandy or no, it was oh my gosh, oh my goodness, she crafts too. There you go. I think I saw a tutorial on her video on her YouTube channel, and she does this, and it is so cute. I love this. This is an awesome idea, and she did a lot of glittering on it. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. I don't know if that's where you got it, Miss Kelly, but I know I saw it there. And oh, and she gifted me some of these. Oh, she was asking me about this, and I was like, yeah, I haven't tried it yet. She asked me if I've, oh my goodness, thank you so much. I'm gonna have so much fun trying this out. And I was like, yeah, the bear gets you. And I love that little bear, how cute. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. Oh, okay. So this was in here, and I was just gonna throw it in there. So these are the, oh my gosh, and I just saw, what's her name? Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna do a swap with her. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my gosh, Jenny from, oh my goodness, I forgot your name, Jenny, but she just got these, a set of these, and I was like, oh man, I need to find out where to get them from. And oh, thank you, Miss Kelly, you gifted me one. I was just thinking of that. How cute. And there's a little Tinkerbell. Oh, how cute. I love it. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, this goes in here. Better not lose it, because I will lose it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So exciting. Let me see this one right here. And this. Oh my. Oh, is this edible? No, this is not edible. I was ready to pop one in my mouth. Oh my goodness. I have not seen anybody make these yet. Are these like, oh my goodness. Did you make these? Are these, no, this is not beads. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. It looks like if I really want to eat it actually. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. And she did her acetate boxes. OMG. I didn't go all that much. I kind of created more than what I'm used to. Like, I usually create more when I give people instead of, I don't know. I think I like creation more. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I thought I was actually a little journaling book. Well, it is a journaling book, but look at you guys. Oh my gosh, can you guys see this? OMG. So she just ordered. I wonder if this is the one you ordered. It feels a little thinner. Oh my goodness, it's a little embellishment tea holder. Oh, this is so cute. I love it, and I am gonna study it, and I am gonna copy it. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love the paper pad you used. OMG, it is so darn cute. Oh my gosh, let's see. So darn cute. I love it. Oh my goodness, you guys, like I said, you guys have not checked Miss Kelly's channel out. Oh my goodness, you guys are missing out. Oh, here's the candy. This doesn't say edible, not edible. And it looks like she went ahead and laminated. She used her laminator, I want to say, and she put strips inside the laminator, and she made a little carton, and it's full of candies, and I will share with my kids. Oh, she put, oh my goodness, thank you. Oh my goodness, I feel so like, I'm gonna be like, nope, it says Kathy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my first bottle that's been like with vinyl like this. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Miss Kelly. Oh my goodness, I'm like having so much fun. And then there's a little pom-pom pencil here, which I am gonna put, I'll just leave it there. Okay. And oh wow, you know, you really went over the top and over spoiled me. I love this. Oh my goodness. And I know she did a tutorial on this as well. I didn't take the time to fully watch it because kids and I don't know, but I love it. I gotta go watch that tutorial again. I gotta like take the time to watch my tutorials. OMG. Oh, bubble bath powder. Oh my gosh, I so need a bubble bath. OMG. And there's more candies here. I love how she did this. And it looks like she did the oh my goodness, how cute. I love how she did these. I love these banners. I'm gonna steal that idea. So gonna steal that idea. Sorry you guys. And then OMG, did she send me a book? Ah, how cute. These are like the little resin, like the, oh my gosh, it's a popsicle, it's cupcakes, it's flowers. Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness. OMG. Oh, cute. OMG. I'm really gonna have so much fun with all this stuff. Thank you. And I'm so happy that we actually were able to partner up and go, you know, together as partners. And oh my goodness, Miss Kelly, she sent me one of her books. Oh my goodness. So you guys, she makes beautiful, beautiful books. And this is heavy, you guys. This is not a light thing. This is like really, really heavy. Like, oh my gosh, heavy. I wish you guys could weigh this. Oh my goodness. Let's see. OMG. You guys see this? Oh my goodness. OMG. I'm like speechless. Okay, I'm gonna come back with another video, and that video is gonna focus on just this book. So stay tuned for the second video. Yay! So I'll be back, you guys.